Construction worker has given chilling insight into the makeshift field hospital in London, warning anyone who wasn't taking coronavirus seriously before should now. The new hospital, named NHS Nightingale, will open next week at the Excel Centre to provide extra critical care capacity in the capital where the NHS is most stretched. The centre will provide 4,000 beds at the field hospital under plans to cope when the peak of the coronavirus epidemic. Work is underway to ready the centre, but man inside the building says the scale of the new hospital suggests they are preparing for high death toll. The video was posted on Twitter of Workman Alex Woodside walking around the empty building. He said, "Just here making the new, makeshift hospital. Currently making up cables for it. But didn't take this virus very seriously until saw this morning. I come in and this is the size of the hall. It's where it's all going. We've got 4,000 beds to go in 2 morgues. This hall is kilometer long. And there's hall out on the other side as well. Not sure what's happening there. Just wanted to keep you all updated. If you're not taking it seriously like wasn't, think we really need to start, because they're preparing for an absolute high death toll here. Excel, London. Welcome to NHS Nightingale." Health Secretary Matt Hancock announced the plans to make the new hospital on Tuesday, which will be bigger than any such facility already in existence in any NHS hospital. Experts from the Ministry of Defence were understood to be helping the project. Mr. Hancock said, "We will, next week, open new hospital, temporary hospital, the NHS Nightingale Hospital at the Excel Centre in London. The NHS Nightingale Hospital will comprise 2 wards, each of 2,000 people. With the help of the military and with NHS clinicians, we will make sure that we have the capacity that we need so that everyone can get the support that they need." Soldiers in fatigues were spotted at the exhibition and conference centres loading bays in East London's former Royal Victoria Docks site on Wednesday morning, though it is understood the military's involvement is limited at the moment. A number of large vans and forklift trucks were also seen going onto the site. There was little other sign of the mammoth transformation being underway as onlookers stopped by the Excel ahead of the hospital treating its first patients from next week. Major General Timothy Cross, who ran NATO's emergency relief operation in Kosovo and Macedonia in the 1990s, said it was big process to create field hospital, but said the military was used to it. Members of the military are part of the COVID-19 support force which will next week open and run the NHS Nightingale Hospital, with capacity to treat 4,000 coronavirus patients across 2 super wards. Speaking on the BBC's Today programme, Major Gen Cross said, "What you've got in the Excel Centre is large, open space with power, lighting, water, sanitation, good accessibility, but also obviously the ability to isolate. That's the sort of thing one's looking for deploying on operations in various places around the world." The NEC in Birmingham said it also stands ready and is well equipped to become temporary hospital after reports suggested the site was another location being considered by the government. There are currently 3 regular medical field hospitals across England, where military personnel work alongside NHS staff. These are at Keogh Barracks in Aldershot, Strensall in North Yorkshire, and Fort Blockhouse in Gosport.